Hi everyone, Caroline here. Question for you. This question is especially for those who meditate. Do you ever feel anxious or angry or disturbed or agitated after meditation? I know meditation is good. It's supposed to make you feel cool and calm and collected and zen-like and peaceful. You know what I mean? Especially after the fact. But do you ever feel that anxiety and that maybe anger or maybe sadness or grief or whatever that comes up as after your meditations? I just want to know if anyone else besides me has experienced this kind of thing. Because I remember a while back, around the beginning of the year, I started focusing very, very intensely on allowing light to come into my body. And I used to do all these meditations and invite the light and just fill myself with light and just see this pure, full spectrum light just coming into my being. And I'd be sitting there meditating and just trying to focus on all these changes of light that were going on with me. And then after my meditation, instead of feeling peaceful and calm and zen-like and, emerging from the meditation with some wisdom, I was feeling angry. I was feeling anxious. I was just feeling like, oh my God, what is happening to me? You know what I mean? I couldn't understand what was going on. And then I started thinking about it. And then it came to me. Meditation activates and triggers our nervous system, which is responsible for receiving light codes and pulsing these light codes into our bodies. And because these new light codes are carrying new information, our dense physical body does not like this. Our dense physical bodies feel threatened. So it creates a sense of anxiety and anger and maybe grief at what it's going to lose. It's almost like the body says, Caroline, we've been together for so long. We've held on to this information for so long. We've held on to our beliefs and our memories and our ideas for so long. And now you want to allow something new. So because of those kinds of things, and there's this tension and this push and pull, the anxiety starts rising within us. The anger, the grief, the sorrow, the regret, the goodbyes that are coming from within the physical body as new information comes in, start getting, a little not too happy. And I began to understand what was happening to me. And then I was like, oh my gosh, thank you, thank you, thank you. My physical body, we've been working together for a long time, but goodbye. It showed me that I needed to say goodbye to all those things that were happening to me. And it was just my body's way of just showing how the end was coming. The end of a phase was coming. And that is why the meditation experience was kind of leaving me a little bit unsettled. But then I understood what it was. So have you really experienced these kinds of things? Maybe that's what's happening to you. The new information, the new light that is coming is, pushing out the dense energies, and as a result those feelings are coming up. So the best thing to do is just to release it. Meditation is just such an awesome process of just moving through energies. So instead of just thinking, oh my God, I'm not going to meditate because I feel bad, think about it as it's pulling up these things and bringing them to the surface, and just say goodbye lovingly. It's been a pleasure, but no more. In with a new. Okay, so let me know, have you ever experienced this kind of thing, or are you always just like in zen mode? Let me know in the comment section. Until next time, guys, keep meditating, and I love you. Bye.